This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. In sought-after Olde Mill Creek, this all-brick 1.5-story home is waiting for you. Welcoming front porch, large bright family room accented with gas fireplace, sliding glass doors provides easy access to back deck, sit-up kitchen bar, separate eat-in area, all 3 bedrooms on first floor. Finished room over garage can be used as man cave, office, exercise room, 4th bedroom. Large deck is perfect for cookouts, entertaining, or just relaxing after a busy day. Huge fenced backyard is spacious enough for a pool, garden, children's play gyms, and of course those special pets. 2-car garage, easy access to 58 and all of Hampton Roads. For more information, review the details below or contact Gale Upchurch at 757-377-6689.